The world has been battling with waste and its management generated by humans. However, in order to let our future generations experience this rich flora and fauna, we have to act to preserve it for posterity. The solution? Well, only one name comes to my mind. With expertise and experience, YIMBY operates across Goa. YIMBY is India's first waste management consumer brand. We aim to be the most trusted, economically and influential brand name in waste management.
When it comes to waste management and recycling, the key is to keep things simple. A lot of individuals, communities, and even businesses want their waste management services to be comparatively priced, top-notch environmental services to be followed, and most important, to be convenient and reliable.
Our startup has grown multifolds, not only in terms of revenue, but also in terms of generating employment for the youth.
We treat our wet garbage over here, and out of that we get gas. That gas is utilized for our daycare center to make tea, food.
You need an aggregator to start giving a solution. And whether it's biogas, whether it's generating electricity, he's come up with options and solutions which I think everyone would look for.
YIMBY, just like any other startup or any other company, wants to make waste management as simple as buying groceries from a supermarket.
A unique one-stop shop business model has helped us in being the front runner in this sector.
I sincerely thank YIMBY for all its supports, all its initiatives, its innovative thinking, new ideas.
Our aim is to make YIMBY the flag bearer for decentralized waste management under Swachh Bharat mission.
YIMBY is yes in my backyard for you all.